Welcome to Undaunted. I'm Captain Marty Shore, owner and operator of our 82-foot, 25-meter exploration yacht. Since she was commissioned in August of 2018, she's been approximately 1.5 times around the world under our command. She's currently listed for sale with Bill Palmer and Kit Denison of Denison Yachting. She's ready for you to bring your gear and provisions, and she'll take you anywhere in the world you can think of going in comfort and safety. I hope you enjoy the video tour. She's equally at home crossing oceans or doing serious tournament fishing in her generous cockpit, which has 2 very large bait tanks, extra pumps, cockpit controls, as well as a 1,000-pound-a-day Eskimo ice chipper to keep your catch fresh. She's also set up for serious diving. She carries 8 dive tanks as well as a dive compressor that will fill 4 tanks simultaneously with no duty cycle, and a special locker for your BCs and other equipment. Dauntless has a 4,000-mile nautical range with a 15% fuel reserve, 0-speed stabilizers, and redundant systems for everything. She has 4 ensuite cabins, 7 heads, and generous crew quarters. Thank you for joining us on this tour. I look forward to introducing the new owner to the boat and all of its systems.